This is our day 8 lesson plan. It's our final day of our unit plan. The topic is graphing, measuring, and modeling. For the objective, on a large sheet of graph paper, students will be able to analyze the measurements and historical significance of the construction of the Castillo de San Marco to recreate a model with correlative measurements.
So the teacher is going to obviously state this objective and the expectations for this project. Then the teacher will tell the students that architects are in charge of making scale model drawings for buildings that they make. And they are going to be architects in charge of making drawings for the Castillo de San Marco. The teacher will then divide the classroom into even groups and instruct them to stay in these groups for the remainder of the lesson. Then the teacher will play a scale drawing video. It's going to be a brain pop video. I put the link in there so you can just click on it. And then the teacher will pass out all of the supplies like yardsticks, graphing paper, easel pads, and things like that. Then the project will begin, and the teacher will put up the original measurements of the Castillo de San Marco, which will be linked in the Satori. And then the teacher must remind the groups that the ratio of measurements must be the same with the original model. Then the students are going to map out and graph out their drawing on their easel pad, and then they will present their models, which they've completed, and they must share 3 things: how they got their new measurements, why their architect group should be chosen for the model if they were competing, and what roles they played in each part of the constructing the model. And then the teacher will grade each group presentation with the rubric at the bottom of the lesson.
And that's our whole unit plan.